Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You signed in and you open the site, so start now. In new Google sites, go to the page and choose Insert then Embed, or in classic sites, use the HTML box. Paste a minimal snippet first. This proves the workflow. Once done, save as draft so you can iterate. Make sure to keep external resources small because heavy scripts can break the editor. This gets you past setup and into the actionable step immediately, rather than stalling on account details. You paste your HTML into the embed field and then you must tune how it displays. If the editor offers code view, paste directly. If not, host the fragment and use the URL option. Then adjust width and height, use responsive units when possible, or start with 600px wide if unsure. Once the embed renders, test interactions and replace blocked APIs with fetch or hosted endpoints, because Google sites may restrict some scripts. Keep iterating until layout and behavior match your intent. You're ready to publish, but don't skip verification. Click Publish and then open the live URL to confirm the embed loads outside the editor. Test both desktop and mobile views and inspect the browser console for mixed content or blocked scripts. Make sure your hosted resources allow cross-origin access and that any iframes include needed sandbox attributes. If something goes wrong, check permissions and mixed content first. This is the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.